What's up, y'all? Cooley. Chop'D Ratz Garage.
Heggie.
I was hoping you'd say Chop'D Ratz Garage.
Cut, retake.
Yeah, let's do it again. Ready? What's up, y'all? Cooley.
Chop'D Ratz Garage.
And Heggie. And Damon. Damon. There he is. Walk, walk.
I'm here.
We got a whole lot of mess going on in here. He's here. We're all here. It's Sunday. We're trying to get a couple of bikes done. Where we going, Timmy?
Fixing to weld the tail light on.
That's what we're doing, but where are we going when we get these things done?
Spring thaw.
Spring thaw. We're going to try to unveil them at Tommy's spring thaw at Lebanon, Tennessee. Lebanon.
Lebanon, Tennessee.
Lebanon. But yeah, we're trying to get them ready. This is Timmy's, and this one over here is one of my new ones. She's not going to flash the camera around yet.
Okay.
But we're just trying to work through this cold weather and get a couple of these bikes done. We got a couple of car projects too. We got a lot of new stuff coming out this round. It's gonna be like y'all ain't never seen anything we built yet. Square Barbie's the staple. She ain't never going anywhere. So besides that, everything else here is for sale. I don't know if Timmy's will be for sale, but
Timmy, would you sell your bike?
we'll see. The one we
Okay.
ain't named yet. What'd you say you wanted to name it a while ago?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, Crooked Eye.
Crooked.
Crooked Eye. He said I've been lining stuff up with Crooked Eye.
Your Huckleberry for it, though.
I'm your Huckleberry. Might be.
I'll be your
It might
Huckleberry.
be.
Yeah.
But we're working on the tank. We got to get the cams and stuff put in it. And like I said, we're just in here trying to stay warm. And it's a mess in here because I'm a messy guy whenever I'm building stuff. I don't clean up every 5 minutes, and we don't have somebody coming behind us every 5 seconds.
Must be work. Must be work.
You heard the man right there. I ain't got to say it again. You heard it. Anyway, we're going to get back to working on this stuff. And
Damon's like the headed gnome. You see the top of his sock
the top
hat.
of his head.
There he
There
is.
he is.
Now the views will go up.
There it is, right there.
Yeah.
That's all I'm gonna be hearing about. Them bearded guys with the
Bearded guys.
motorcycles.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Yeah, I noticed that. Good job.
He's fixing to retire, so when he does that, he might
Grow it
get
on
him some
down.
tattoos, sleeves. You reckon Social Security will pay you enough to do that?
I'm gonna claim it.
Do like a business write-off or
Yeah,
something.
business right off. Well, anyway, y'all stay tuned.